So you can see here I've got 3 wells, so it's a MWA, so it's a multi-well analysis, and we go into this icon here, which is create correlation plot. You see it's empty right now. I'm going to select file format. So I've loaded the file format, so you can see now we've got the correlation here, and we can pick here and say you want to set your ties and bring that down into here. Have a nice decent color like a red. Go click OK. Maybe you want to see some bedding or tie it on the bedding. You right click there and right click here and say perhaps here. There we go. That's your tie lines. You can align the ties like that, or you can align by your tops. So let's go to Hawkins. You can see now it's aligned there and here. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to just remove a well. So up here you've got 2 options. The bottom one is remove the well. So that's actually going to remove it, and so you'll just have the 2 correlations within the multi-well correlation viewer. There is another option. So what I'm going to do is re-add this well and go into here. I'll beg your pardon. Go into here and select it and re-add it, and it will come back in. But say now there was a well that you wanted to hide, you could just go into here and go, I want to hide this because it's become all ugly, and you can hide that like that. You want to pull that in a bit. And see now we've only got the 2 wells. You can do the fit here and fit it so it looks a little tidier. What we'll do is we'll bring that well back in and we'll do the fit again, and there we go. Now the other options we have is apply edits to all the wells, because you can see here they're not all the same, all these log plots. So you can go to your file and load single well format to all wells. So if we go into one of the wells and say perhaps we want to pick a plot format, so they all have these in there, and we'll go no tops, and we'll apply that to all the wells. So yes to all. You can see once it's rendered correctly, we now have the same log plot in all 3 wells, and this button has now become active. So any changes you make in this plot here will be copied and re-rendered into the other plots.